Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete Teamspace in Notion. So the first step is to click on your workspace name and then go over to settings. Here select Teamspaces and you should see your Teamspace settings. Here you should see all of your Teamspaces, so I don't want to delete this main one, so I will just quickly create a new one so I can show you how to delete it. In order to delete your space, you will have to go right here. So here it is. First select it, and now just simply remove all the members right here. So you'll have to click right here and remove. Now, once you removed all of the members, just click on these three dots next to your Teamspace and click on Archive Teamspace. Now just type here name of your Teamspace to confirm and click on Archive Teamspace. This is basically like if you have deleted this workspace or this Teamspace, just click on right here to active and change it to archived, and you should see that all of your archived Teamspaces. Here you can restore them if you want to, or they will disappear by the end of the month. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.